Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats. We're here at beautiful Thormanby Island in British Columbia, Canada. We're just out on a little tour today with a brand new 2022 Stryker LX 380. Now these brand new 380 22 models are absolutely incredible. We came over to this island today in about a 2-foot chop and it felt like we were in a rigid hull boat. Now why that is for this model year, we've made some really cool changes to the hull design of our boat and how the water disperses off of that hull. So up front here is our new bow design, which has a 12-degree bow rise and a shape that's shaped very aggressively angled, so that what that does is it will actually disperse the water to the sides of the boat rather than kind of lap over the top like a traditional inflatable boat. Now, moving to some other parts of the boat here, we'll start at the back. So that system at the back, that is a fully welded one-piece aluminum transom. Now, one-piece aluminum transom, double wall, is an industry first and something we're really proud of. Traditionally, that's where inflatable boats fail first. So with our system being all one piece, there is no area to fail within that boat. Being aluminum, there's no place for it to rot. So you have peace of mind and security knowing your boat is going to stand the test of time. Some other really cool features that we add to our boats is Scotty Bases around the perimeter of our boats. Now you can see on this particular boat today, we have a Garmin fish finder set up on a Scotty universal mount. We have a pop puller on there. We have some crab traps that we've dropped out in the bay that we'll go retrieve on our way back today. And we have a couple cup holders. We had a nice coffee on the way out here this morning. Now inside of this boat for 2022, we've added a whole pile of D-rings. Now this has been asked for many years, but they are quite expensive. So we have done it for 22. The entire perimeter of the boat inside has got really nice D-rings that are great for tie down all your gear for overnight camping trips or whatever have you. It's just a really, really nice feature. We have our Bimini Mounts inside of the boat, which are all factory installed. And if should you ever choose in the life of your boat want to add a Bimini roof system, it's a simple plug and play for our boat. Now, all of our materials are the highest quality German materials available. Even going to something as simple as our lifeline. That's a very, very heavy duty quality lifeline. You are not going to see that on other boats out there on the market. They just don't go to the level that we like to. We like to provide the highest degree of materials and product on the market to give you and your family the absolute most enjoyable days on the water. Hey guys, so that's our LX 380 in red with the aluminum floor system. We're gonna go pull our traps. Thanks for watching.